Hey guys, it's Chrissy Faith and I am here with another video. I am here to update you on my results using the Lux Skin IPL laser hair removals. I have it right here. In this video, I wanted to touch on 3 major points. My just overall general thoughts about using the device, how I'm using it, if I still continue to use it, my pros and cons, and some tips and tricks that I've learned. You know, I ain't the best at it. I ain't saying I'm mastering the whole thing, but yeah, I think at least 6 months I've been using it. Not 6 months. How long have I been using this? Going on 2 months I've been using it. All right, so let's get into it. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I am putting it out in the atmosphere. I want 1,000 subscribers and I'm gonna get it. Do you want to be in that number? Do you want to be the 1,000 person that clicks on that? And you know I'm gonna be crying because I'm a crybaby. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's get into this video. So, like I said, I've been using the Lux Skin IPL laser hair removal system for about 8 weeks now. And I am continuing to love this device. So what I'm going to say about the device, a lot of people had questions. It's still painful to me because they saw, if you have not checked out my first video of my first review, first time, go check it out. It's funny. It's funny, it's educational, and I really love that video. So this is going to be a series, so just make sure that you're subscribed so you can follow me on this journey. So far I'm loving the device. It hasn't broken on me. I feel like it's well made and it's doing exactly what it claims to do. My underarm area is almost I have no hair almost. The hair that has grown back, I mean, it's probably like this. I mean, I can't even see it unless I'm like, you know, I gotta be like, is it there? Because when I'm rubbing, I can't even feel it. You know how you can feel it? You can see when your hair is growing back? No, not with this. I can't even see anything. It's getting to the point where it's like, do I need to shave? I just did it last night. I shaved and I barely saw anything on the razor. This works. It's not a gimmick. You know, you be scared like, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work on my black skin? This works. The Lux Skin hair removal system works on your black skin. It will work, girl. Okay, sis? It works. Make sure you get this thing if you want permanent hair results, because it is giving it to me. I've been using it underneath my arms and I've been using it in my bikini area. And if y'all want me to do a review on the downwards part, I will too. But it's working. Okay. It's working. Bull ports getting permanently removed, okay? I don't want to deal with none of that. I don't want to deal with it. Yes, it's working. It continues to work. It's not something, oh, it's gonna work, then it's not. So far, every time I use it, my hair grows back slower, less and less, thinner and thinner. It's just starting to look like baby hairs down there. And you know, black women, we got coarse hair, okay? Especially down there. I'm trying. Okay, that's it. I'm just saying. I'm not lying to you. It's working. If I could get on here and be like, I would, but I can't. I can't do that. Okay, I can't do that. But anyway. All right, so moving on. That's just my overall general thoughts, that it's a well-made product. They give you a 90-day warranty, or it might be a 120-day warranty. I'm gonna look into that, double check. Hey you guys, so I'm actually coming back in just to clarify. It's actually a 1-year warranty, so if any issues that you have with your device, if it just stops working, if it breaks or anything, they've got you covered. And it's a 90-day money back guarantee. If you just find out that you don't like it, it's not working for you, you could get your money back and return the product within 90 days. This thing, it hasn't skipped a beat. I am still using level 2 to 3. I kind of raised my tolerance to 3. I had a friend who said she started on 3 and she was like, and it was nothing to her, so she moved to 5. I think it just depends on you, your skin, your level of pain tolerance, whether you can like bear a 1 or a 3 or a 5, whatever. So you just have to figure it out for yourself, basically. But I'm baby steps. I'm taking time, okay? So I'm still on level 3 to bikini area, because I just can't. I'm gonna be a D one day. All right, next we are going to talk about the pros and the cons. The pros obviously are that you're going to, in the long run, get a permanent hair result, that you won't have to shave, that you won't have to wax, that you won't have to thread or do anything else that you've been doing. You won't have to use Nair and the chemicals and all that. Okay, that's the whole reason why you're probably looking into this, because you are tired of doing all those things that I just listed. You, in the long run, will save money actually getting this device. You're going to get waxed by an esthetician. You're paying them $35 every time, every rip. And if you're a good person who got a good soul, you tip these people, right? You leaving them tips. You leaving them $5 tips. You paying $45 every 4 to 6 weeks. When you could just be using this in the comfort of your home, quarantine style, okay? We just don't have time for everybody being our goodies and stuff like that right now. So use this at home and you're good. You're good to go. It pays for itself. It's cheap. It was only $60. Even if it does break on me, I'll buy this. I would buy this again. I would. Ingrown hairs and razor bumps. Now, at the beginning, you have to start shaving. You have to shave in order to use this device. I have gotten razor bumps. I have gotten ingrown hairs. Like, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I've gotten a little darkening underarms. I have noticed that. However, I'm not tripping on that. I know I can exfoliate. I've been exfoliating. I've been using Skin Tight, and it's supposed to help with ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and it definitely has. It's worked wonders, okay? So I know I was there with you like, man, I gotta shave. Nah, man, I don't want to shave.
Man, I don't want to shave. Well, I can't wax and do it. Well, I can't use Nair and do it.
Nah, you can't, sis. Just do it for now. Because in the long run, it's going to give you those results that you're looking for. And the longer I've used it, I've learned how to exfoliate. I have to be more aggressive with it now, because I am seeing you get waxing, you don't have the ingrown hairs in this. But the thing is, your hair stops growing, then you won't get razor bumps. You can't get ingrown hairs. You get what I'm saying? Right. Yeah, you get it now. Like, you gotta think. So we gotta go through this struggle period to get to the end results, the beautiful end results that we're gonna get. I already see it, girl. You gotta see that pretty kitty. You gotta see that smooth underarms. You gotta manifest it, okay? So we're gonna be good. So that's the con. The shaving is the con. And for my final topic, the tips and tricks that I use using the Lux Skin laser hair removal. Like I said, I have to exfoliate, and I have been using this amazing scrub by Legendary Skincare. It has turmeric in it. It has coffee beans in it. It's homemade. It's natural. It's black owned, and it's owned by a black woman. Like, yes, let's support black women, black bosses. It's an amazing scrub, and I definitely recommend that you get that. It does have turmeric in it, so it does stain. So make sure you wear gloves, because your nails will stain, and you don't want that. The next thing I've been using is the aloe vera, because if you have sensitive skin like me, then you feel raw and you just like, you feel that tightness and that just stinging, and it's so uncomfortable. So what I've been doing is applying aloe vera gel to my underarms and my bikini area, just to soothe any kind of irritation that I get from shaving. However, as I've been shaving more and more and been using the system more and more, I find that I am getting less razor bumps, less ingrown hairs, because I'm just exfoliating that dead skin away. You shave, you use the system, and your hair is growing back less and less. I promise you, just continue to do it. Every time you do it, even from the first time you use this, you are gonna see a difference. From one time, just go check out my other video. That is my overall 8-week review of this system, the Lux Skin IPL laser hair removal system. I absolutely love it. I don't regret buying it. I would absolutely buy it again. I know plenty of people that got this and they're loving it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you, especially with Black women. We're concerned, is it gonna work for us? Is it gonna work on our skin? And I'm here to tell you, sis, it does. It does. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're gonna get it, because I think you should. I will see you in the next one.